Okay, we're going to have a look at the extreme confluence indicator. This is a very simple indicator. And what it will do is let you know when there's an extreme confluence. So it's looking at a few different logics to give you the indication. I like to use this indicator with these, and if, for example, you entered a trade here, stop loss under, entry point, you could consider exiting at this high when you see this indicator along with this one and this one giving you an indication that price has moved to an extreme level. Let's just say you did take a trade and you want to know when would be a good time to exit. You can set an alert, overbought alert or oversold. Okay, in this case, bullish is overbought, and you can make it play a sound, overbought condition, create, and that will let you know that the position you're in is overextended and it might be a good time to exit the trade. Okay, so that's the extreme confluence indicator.